everybody, I'm Sammy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I have a really cool guest on my channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Donavan Barrett.
So Donavan actually has a really awesome channel about martial arts that I know you guys would love, so be sure to check it out. And what we're doing today is making a video on 5 of our favorite drills to do on a century bob.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Okay, before I forget, I always get the question from you guys about where I get my equipment from. One of the great things about having a bob and practicing on him is that it's kind of like a real life person, so especially if you don't have a training partner, it's really good to make every drill a little bit more realistic so you can see it on like a human body. If you guys want to get your own bob, he's actually from Century Martial Arts, and I will leave that linked in the description below.
Okay, so we're going to start off by doing a single leg kicking combination on the bob. Bob is all about precision, and this drill is definitely going to help you do that. So you're going to start off by doing a front kick right to his abdomen, making sure you hit with the ball of your foot. From there, you're going to turn over and do a roundhouse kick. You're going to turn again and do a twist kick, and then you're going to do a roundhouse kick right to his head. So all together, you're going to come up, 1, 2, 3, 4, right to the head. And then once you get that down, you can go a little faster. Like so.
Okay, for this next drill, you're going to start off in a fighting stance. What you're going to do first is you're going to turn and do a back kick. As soon as you land, you're going to leave it in front. You're going to turn around to your back, and you're going to pick your back leg up and do a hook kick.
So this next drill is going to be a defensive drill, and then we're going to go into offense. So you're going to start with your kicking leg in the front, and we're going to stop him dead in his tracks with a cut kick, rechamber our leg, and then from there we're going to go into the offensive and hit him right on the head with a hook kick.
You're going to really work on your position and accuracy. So what you're going to do is start off in a fighting stance, and you're going to try and do the fastest, most accurate roundhouse kick right in front of his nose and stopping right before you hit it. So you don't actually kick him, but it is a full power, full speed kick. It's going to look like this. Okay, one more, just try and go full speed, full power, hold it, don't actually touch him, but try and get an inch close to his face.
Now we're going to do a double kick, but only one of them is going to actually make contact with our target. So we're going to do a front kick towards the body just to fake bob out. And then from there, we're just going to turn our hip over and do a roundhouse kick to the head. Okay, so you're going to come up, you trick him with the front, hit with the round, and hopefully he's done for.
That video, Donovan, it was really great to have you on this channel.
I had a great time.
I love filming with you.
We should just film. You should move to Florida and we'll
talk after the video. If you guys have any other video ideas that you'd like to see next, just leave them in the comments, because we will likely be doing some more video collabs in the future.
Yes, of course.
Make sure that you like, subscribe to both of our channels, and we will see you guys all in the next video. Have an awesome week training.
Bye.